Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is not any ordinary composition book. This is actually an iPad case. Finti has a bunch of different covers for the iPad, but I love this composition one because it's like an undercover agent. You know, when it's sitting there, it just looks like an ordinary notebook, but then really it's your iPad, and I love that look of it. This one is for a 6th and 5th generation iPad, and it fits super secure. The back is a hard case, so that way it fits in real tight. Like once you get it in, it fits really snug, so you're never worried about it falling out. And it has the magnetic case on top, so that way it puts your iPad right to sleep. As soon as it closes, you don't even have to turn it off. Also, the inside of it is very soft, so that way you know your screen itself is protected in this case. The top of the case also bends several different ways and has magnetic strips on it, so that way it holds it in that specific location. So whether you want to be looking down and to see your screen, or if you want it to stand up so that way you can watch it maybe from your bed. I love that it gives you the opportunity and the flexibility to do those different things. It works at every different angle. If you're looking for an iPad case for your 5th or 6th generation iPad, I definitely recommend Finti. They have really awesome cases. My personal favorite is, of course, this composition notebook, and it's the undercover secret agent that it's not really a notebook, it is your iPad, and I love it so much. And you should check it out if you're in need of a new case. And that's my point of view.